ceiling fan. Turn it on the medium. Brass and white ceiling fan. I don't really know the brand. I have to go climb up there and see. But it's very clean. And I don't know. It blows a lot of good wind on the medium. This could be a Hunter fan. I don't know. There's no branding on it. But one thing I don't understand with most ceiling fans is why this fan speed chain is always so short I can't reach it than the light. Is that supposed to be? Is that standard? Is that supposed to be like that? Every ceiling fan, the fan speed chain is so high in the air, I have to get on a ladder to like, I don't know. This is the fan on the medium. Let me see, this is the light chain. There. Okay. I don't know what kind of bulb is in that. It's probably incandescent.